Good evening. Happy New Year, guys. Our time now is 11:53, and we're preparing. Um, we're not going to highway. We're gonna check and watch our Chuukese friends celebrating, welcoming the New Year.
Saan ako kana akong gamiton, no?
Okay. So let's go, guys.
Ha?
So makita siya. Okay. So it's now 12 o'clock. We'll see what's the activity now. Let's observe and witness how our friends observe and start celebrating, welcoming the new year. Okay, again, Happy New Year. This is Kuya Novo vlog. Vlog today, tonight. This is what's our time now is 1:26 a.m. Sunday. Happy New Year. Let's see what's the style. And shout out to our public safety, making sure that our state people are always safety. Thank you very much, public safety. Very busy. All right, so let's see. All right, look. People. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year! There we go. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Our time now is 1:27 a.m. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Baby. All right. This side, COM side. Here. It's quiet. All right. Our time now is 1:28 a.m. Sunday morning. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Okay. Happy New Year! So right here, close to Saki, that's public safety police making sure that this New Year. So right here, this is public safety, making sure that always safety. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Family.
101! Happy New Year! Nahulog. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, Happy New Year! It's 1:59, 1:59 Sunday AM, 1:59 AM, and it's now the New Year! New Year! Happy New Year! So you can see here public safety very.
Raven.
Happy New Year, Raven! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! New Year! So right now we're back.
New Year!
Our goal today is done. So thank you very much. At least you have so our time now is 2:17 a.m. Happy New Year. So we're now sleepy. All right, again, shout out to all viewers, followers. Again, this is Kuya Novo, and that's my video for you today. Thank you. Bye bye. Until next time.